All right, y'all, so we got another classic caddy for you today. Today we got a 1973 Coupe Deville. Super clean, solid car. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, it's finishing this beautiful midnight blue color. Super clean. It's probably one of my favorite Cadillac colors, honestly. I forgot what the actual color code is, but it's one of my favorites because I can tell, like, with the right cut and buff on this, all of that metallic starts to come out. And man, it looks good, especially with the blue interior. So let's get into it. We decided to not spoke this one. We just put some Vogue tires on it. I think it looks super clean like that. Kind of keep it looking OG. As we move down, doors seem to be properly aligned. I don't see any like major dents or anything that need to be pointed out. All trim is intact. Hood looks pretty solid. You got a couple little imperfections here and there in the paint. You know, this ain't no show quality paint, obviously, but clean, especially with them skirts on there. Getting to the rear quarter, looks pretty solid. I don't have any waves or anything that I can really point out. I got a little spot right here where somebody hit with some touch-up paint. Looking at the back, no cracks in the glass, no rock chips. As I always say, when you get right in this area, you can really see the condition of the paint under these lights. And like I said, it's pretty solid. A little bit better than driver's quality, in my opinion. You know, your imperfections are from years of car washes and sitting outside after rain, things like that. Checking out this rear quarter on the driver's side. Again, no major defects that I can point out there. I'll keep on rolling. Windshield looks good. I got no rock chips, no cracks in there. Again, all the window trim is intact. As we come to the front of the car, front bumper looks great. Chrome is nice and bright. No rust, no dents. Same thing with the headlight trim. Let me go ahead and pop this trunk and grab these keys for the hood. Pick up this 500-pound Cadillac hood. Not bad. Relatively clean underneath. You guys know it's got the big 472 in it. Power brakes, power steering. AC does blow. So otherwise, relatively stock underneath. Let that shut. And let's go ahead and check out this trunk. Wrong key. Must be 2 sets. It is. Damn. And now I done got it mixed up. Yep. There we go. Alright. Here's our trunk. Standard Cadillac affair. Super clean. Got your original jack instructions there. Weather sealing looks good. No issues there. Nice carpeted trunk. See if I can. Nope, this is glued down, so we'll look at the trunk pans once it's on the rack. Getting on the interior, super clean blue interior. Let's go ahead and get through here. Super clean, no rips, no tears, no discoloration either. Headliner looks good. And then as we look at front seats, again, no rips, no tears. Looks super solid. Here's our passenger door. No issues there. Let's go ahead and get over to this driver's side. Driver's seat looks just as good as the passenger. No rips, no tears. I don't even have no wear patterns. And surprisingly, this leather's super soft. Driver door looks good. No tears there. And again, carpet's in good condition. I really like this interior. Dash is solid. No cracks there. No warping. So give me a second when I got this test drive. All right, y'all, we can get started on the Deville. Lights work. I see them in the dash. I see them on there. Actually, let me start her up. That would be smart, right? Mileage reads 30,691. Left turn, right turn. Horn does not work. Normally doesn't on these aftermarket steering wheels. Windows good. Both sides. Door locks work. That's surprising. Nice retro sound radio. And it does work. Nice. All right. What else we got? I already did the lights. AC kicked on. I can feel it blowing. Lights, wipers. Nice. And power antenna. Not working. Other than that, very solid car. So seatbelt light is on because I do not have my seatbelt on, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if it's stuck down here in the seat. Oh wait, it is. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put y'all down, put this seatbelt on. My bad. I thought it was stuck. I thought it was stuck behind there. So I got the seatbelt on. Light is off now. My fault. You gonna let him back it up on the rack? Oh, I was about to say, we got a new mechanic backing cars up on the rack. You know, it ain't for everybody. You kind of gotta, you know, you gotta have a feel for it. So that was funny. But gas tank rate's full. No way of knowing if that's correct or not. As I always say, we throw our 40 in and it looks like it's past full, so probably not accurate. Got the big 472, more than enough power to move this girl. Hands off the wheel, she is tracking straight. Steering wheel, actually it is aligned, it just has a little tiny bit of play, which is normal for these, you know, this era of vehicles. Feel like I'm way back. Let me see. Seats feel nice and soft. Speedometer is working appropriately. Throttle response is instant. Shift was nice and smooth. I don't have any rattling or anything. No belt squeal. That's not the car if you hear that little drilling sound. Brakes feel good. Ride is nice and compliant, I'll say, because I ain't gonna say it's soft. This car has really grown on me since it's been here. You know, we get so many DeVilles. You know, they look cool, but this blue on blue and the way that it's been well maintained, like I said, it's really grown on me, so I like it a lot. She's driving nice and flat, no issues here. Brakes feel good. Suspension, like I said, is relatively on the softer side. Exhaust sounds good. I don't hear any ticking or anything like that. So she's solid. We're gonna get her back and get her on the rack and check out underneath. All right, y'all, we got the DeVille up on the rack. Front bumper, again, looks solid. Impact strips intact. Chrome looks pretty solid. Getting underneath the car, about what you expect. You got a little bit of surface rust, but nothing crazy. Car hasn't been undercoated or anything like that. Everything appears to be stock. We got disc in the front. I'm assuming drums in the rear, but we'll get there. The shocks have been replaced. I can tell by the hardware. No signs of leak from the gas or oil or transpan. Going down the driver's side, frame looks nice and straight. Again, these shocks have been replaced in the rear as well. Drums like I expected. And the floors look great. Minus the spider webs, but beautiful. Undercoating is nice and solid, hasn't started flaking. Frame is nice and straight on the passenger side. Again, these are the type of floors that you want. Diff looks good, no signs of leaking there. Exhaust will need to be done eventually. You can see it is going to start being some holes in there. I ain't gonna touch it because it's a little bit warm. Gas tank looks solid, no signs of leaks or anything. And of course the trunk pans, no issues. This is a very, very solid car. And rear bumper looks good. We're gonna come on down this driver's side. Wheels are new at all four corners, so we ain't gonna talk about that again. Cladding underneath, and I don't have any bubbling in the paint. She looks beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and get on over to the passenger side. Definitely solid, so let's get her down. All right, if you guys are interested in this DeVille, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.